Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to share my another techniques. The mentalistic book of war. Is the veterans knowledge. First, how can I teach you all without damaging my life, mental life of strategy? For example, you want to know what is the role of war. What is if what is the strategy? The mentalistic strategy war based veterans is robust. How can you read this book if the book is kapon? Kung sa Tagalog, paano mo babasahin ang libro kung sira na ito dahil sa gira? How can you read this book? Is kapon because of war. The mentalistic strategy. How can you read this book? How can you transfer this language writing inside the book if this is kapon? Now, if you want to teach, if you want to all kind of knowledge about strategy inside your mind, for example, you really want to know what is the strategy of combat martial art. First, how do you get the balance to combat college strategy about war? Now, the kapot is here inside. Now, if you really want to know what is the combat college strategy of balancing this war, for example, this book is kaput. I really want to stay inside my mind, inside the strategy of book. For example, the combat college strategy is not as simple. I really want to sa mga hindi nakapanawa, paano mo maituturo ang isang combat college kung dinestroy nila ang iyong sarili. First, inside mind. How can you transferring this book? This book is kapon. Strategy of these techniques inside my mind. And now, the lesson is simple. How can he say to I love somebody new? You were so good to me always. You are back to the story. Then, how did you get the book inside of strategy war? This is kaput. I transferring this into the base, the knowledge inside my mind. Now, first rule, unang strategy, paano kayo tuturuan kung dinadamage ninyo ang mentality ng isang tao? Akala nyo lang yun. inside the mind. The strategy of combat, especially combat kali guns and weapon, is not as simple. I cannot upload the long videos because I really want to upload this in a Facebook, because Facebook I cannot upload my videos if my videos is longer 10 minutes in Facebook. Meta, the mentalistic na yung transferring sa language ko sa aking sinasabi sa inyong sa Facebook, hindi ko na-appreciate. Pakiusap, mag-transfer ka lang din, gawin mo na yung tama, ha? Clean your perimeter inside, you know what to do. Yes, no? The strategy of knowledge combat. Now guys, paano mo ita-transfer ang laman ng libro na ito kung ito ay sira na? Kung sa kanta pa, sa iba-iba kasing lingwahe, ay ayatan ka, napunto at naruting ka. In Ilocano. In English, I want to love you because I really like you. In Ilonggo, higog maun tagid ka, kay naluyag ko sa imuya. In Cebuano, higog maun gid ka, kay nahimuot gid ko nimuya. Alright man, I'll back to the story about again the more language of strategy inside my mind. Now, if you want the strategy of combat kali, another language about combat martial art based on knowledge of background of strategy, how can you read this book if the book is ito? Paano mo basahin ang librong ito kung ang librong ito ay nasira na dahil sa gera? How can you read this book? This book is kapal because of war. Now, the best is video is good. Magpakaanis ka, hindi lang isang tao. Sige, no? Magpakaanis ka para matuto ka. Hindi yung magpakaanis ka dahil gusto mo lamang matuto. O gagawin mo yung strategy at lalapit-lapit ka sa tao para lang ikaw ay magkakaroon ng strategy. Now, if you want the strategy inside my mind, the propagandas of strategy, I know there's some more intelligence from the sabotage of my strategy inside my mind. Don't giving me a trait because of that strategy. Siguraduhin nyo lamang na ang strategy nyo ang forces of the mga police na siguraduhin inside my mind. Huwag nyo ako takutin dahil ako'y takot na. Siguraduhin nyo lamang na pag ako'y tinatakot nyo, may families structuring sa inyo. Your families too, Colonel Marquis. You want to play a war, ha? The strategy of war. The veterans, militaristic strategy. Example, strategy. Remember, propagandas is not really good inside my mind. back to restore again. This is a first instinct of stupid. How can you read this book again? If the book is kapot, paano mo turuan? O paano ka magtuturo? O ang mentalities mo ay dinadanas nila? Akala nyo lang yun makukuha nyo. You cannot get all inside my mind. After I read this book on Change of This Knowledge, I put this book the tombstone and then I put it center reflection. Pagkatapos ko basahin at itatransfer itong librong ito, tatalian ko ito ng dalawang bato at itatapon ko sa gitna ng ulo. Tingnan ko nga lang kung makukuha pa ninyo. Yeah. Actually guys, I penned this book because so now I cannot upload again. I cannot share long videos because I want to upload in Facebook. I'll share again more knowledge about Matan, Fox, piece of difference in the next following videos. Thank you so much. And this is the first thing mentalistic inside me. Thank you so much. I will be